In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the header logo in WordPress using a method that works with most themes. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your main hub for all things related to your website, and it's where you'll make most of your changes. Once you're logged in, look for the Appearance tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on that, then select Customize. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your theme. Next, you'll need to find the section labeled Site Identity, or sometimes just Header, depending on your theme. This section is where you can manage the elements that make up the identity of your site, including the logo. Now, look for an option that says Logo or Site Logo. This is where you can upload your new logo file. Ideally, you'll want to upload a PNG file. PNGs with a transparent background tend to work best for logos because they can seamlessly blend with different backgrounds. Once you've chosen and uploaded your logo file, you might be prompted to crop it. This option allows you to ensure the logo looks just right within the designated area. However, if you prefer to display the full image as is, you're welcome to skip the cropping altogether. It's important to save your changes once you're satisfied with how the logo will look. So make sure to click on Save and Publish to ensure everything is set and updated on your website. Now that you've updated your logo, it's a good idea to preview your site. This allows you to double check that everything displays correctly, both on desktop and mobile devices. WordPress is designed to be responsive, meaning that it should adjust to different screen sizes without any issues. However, it's always wise to verify just in case. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your site's header logo using the WordPress customizer. This method is straightforward and usually compatible with most themes, making it a reliable option. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're looking for more WordPress tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That way you won't miss any of the valuable content I have planned for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.